Hello and how friends, all of you are most welcome in your loving one person family. I'm your soul friend, Tales and Twist. Come on guys with me and enjoy the nature. Later I will carry you soon in a new journey of story. The determined ant. So now let's go. Once upon a time, a small ant found a delicious piece of sugar from her anthill. She decided to take it back home. The sugar was heavy and the journey was long and arduous. As she carried it, she encountered obstacles, pebbles, leaves, and streams, but she never gave up. When the sugar was too heavy to carry alone, she sought help from her fellow ants. Together, they faced challenges and slowly but surely made their way back to the anthill. At the end of the day, the ants celebrated their hard work and determination with the feast. The small ant felt proud, knowing that her perseverance and teamwork made it all possible. In last, moral of the story is no challenge is too great when you stay determined and work together. Persistence and teamwork can overcome any obstacle. Remember one more thing that don't be discouraged by difficulties. Stay focused, work hard, and seek support when needed. Success is a team effort. With a smile, I will say all of you, I love you. Goodbye, good luck. I'm your soul friend, Tales and Twist.
Indecisive, maybe it's all too late. Maybe I'm just done fighting. Maybe, oh, maybe I'm indecisive. Maybe it's all too late. Maybe I'm just done fighting.